All right, guys, this is a completely free way on how I use Google and ChatGPT to scrape for my ideal leads and build lead lists that would otherwise cost an absolute fortune. Okay, this makes it so much easier to build these lead lists, and you can do it completely for free. And nobody ever talks about this method, or I don't even think does this method. It works for both LinkedIn and Instagram outreach. I'll show you guys a demo of both super quickly here. So what we're gonna do is first, let's just pretend that I am a marketing agency and I'm targeting the CEOs and founders of SaaS companies. Let's get even more specific. Let's say B2B, business to business SaaS companies in Canada. Super specific, okay? Let's go in and let's do this. So what we're gonna type in first, we're gonna do this on Google, and we're doing this for LinkedIn at the beginning, and then we'll do Instagram later. So LinkedIn, we're gonna go site, linkedin.com/in. That's step number one. So make sure you type that guy in. Then we're gonna set our definitions in quotations. So I'm targeting CEOs, so CEO in quotes, founder, just for second language. Let's go SaaS, B2B. Let's add a capital there, keep things consistent. And add some geographical specification, Canada. There we go. Just like that, you're gonna press search and it's going to come up with a ton of profiles that match those definitions. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna copy the entire page. So copy the entire page, go into ChatGPT, and then copy and paste the entire page into ChatGPT. It looks messy, just bear with me. You can do this with the second page, third page, whatever, as many as you want. I'm gonna do 2 for the sake of this demonstration, but typically I would probably go closer to like 10 or so, just get as many leads as I possibly can. So now that that's all inputted in, we are going to add a prompt. I will show you in a second here. So this is the prompt we are gonna use. Format the attached data into a table with columns for link, name, and description / job title. Make sure you link the person's profile, not just the general LinkedIn page. That is a very important specification. ChatGPT isn't as smart as you probably think it is. You have to give it context. So do that, and then you're gonna let it do its thing. All right, here we go. So it is creating a table for us now with all of the leads from those Google search results, all of which should match our ICP. Let's go with Christine. Perfect. From Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Did you know B2B SaaS software? There we go. Perfect. Our absolute ideal customer. And then you can go ahead and connect and message with them. And guys, the good thing about this is you can import this into whatever automation tool you use. We don't necessarily use any automation tools to automate our outreach, but if you are automating outreach, just copy this entire list and input it into whatever tool you are using. So now that I've showed you the LinkedIn method, let's demo the Instagram method. You probably guessed what we're doing, very similar. We're just gonna go site, Instagram.com. Let's say I wanna target plumbing companies. Plumbing in, I don't know, Seattle. Search, same thing. Just gonna copy. I'll just do 1 page just to show you guys. Copy that. You're just gonna put it into the message, and then you're gonna add that same prompt, except you're gonna tweak a few things. Obviously, it says LinkedIn here. You're just gonna turn that into Instagram homepage. Enter, and it's going to do the exact same thing. Look at that, and it's gonna even give you some mobile numbers, and you can ask it to do that as well if you want it to pull specific things, emails, numbers, whatever. Click on it, easy as that, B's Plumbing and Heating. So that's pretty much the method, guys. It is very overlooked. Make sure you try it, completely free. A lot of these lead list building tools are so expensive, and you can do just as good of a job using Google and ChatGPT. I hope you guys found value in this. If you want to learn more about our process and our approach, feel free to schedule a call with me and I can give you more details into how these sorts of outreach campaigns would actually work for your specific business. Take care.